Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with Redposie and I'm here today to go over the things that you received in your paint kit that you purchased from Redposie. In your kit you should have a Dixie Belle color chart, and this is for any time in the future that you want to buy paint. You have the chart there. You'll have a green scouring pad, plastic gloves, bag of cleaning solution, a drop cloth, 2 stir sticks, 2 foam brushes, 8 ounces of clear coat, and 8 ounces of paint. This is the color that you chose when you filled your order out. The way you want to start is find a place that you're not going to be disturbed, that your project that you can start and finish without having to move it. You can pick that. You're going to spread your drop cloth out. Place your product over the drop cloth. You will need a pail of water, about a half a gallon. Mix the solution in the water. Use a small cleaning rag, and you want to wipe down the surface of the project, removing any foreign particles, grease, grime, dirt, anything that can adhere the paint from sticking to the surface. Once the project is dry, a couple of minutes, then you're ready to proceed to paint. Oh, by the way, the scouring pad, if you have a really dirty project, then you can use the scouring pad. But for most of the times, in most projects, you won't really need to use this. But it is a good thing to have. So you're going to open your paint, take your stir stick, make sure it's stirred up real good. Use one of the foam brushes, and you want to cover the surface completely. Leaving no drips, build-ups, or anything like that. You just want a smooth coverage. You always want to work with an ample supply of paint in your brush, basically wiping away the sides, but keep your brush full of paint. You may get away with just using 1 coat, but for the most of the time it's going to take 2 coats. And really you're looking for the paint to give you the look that you want, which it may be 1 coat or 2 coats. Once these coats are dry, then you can put the top coat on. It should take about an hour or so between coats, and that all depends on the humidity, but within an hour you should be able to put the second coat on. And then after an hour after that, then we can move to the clear coat. You have a stir stick for that, and you have a foam brush for that. Open the top, make sure you stir this up real good, and same principle. You want to completely cover the surface, your project surface. I would recommend at least 2 coats of the clear coat, waiting an hour between coats. Let the first coat dry about an hour, and then once these coats are dry, the clear coats are dry, you should be done with your project and you can enjoy it. If you have any questions, please contact us at redposie.com. Thank you.